India and its citizens are all geared up with a feeling of patriotic exhilaration to celebrate 74th Independence Day. No matter how much we have read about our country, it is never enough. We have come up with some interesting facts about India and its independence. There has been various adaptations of our flag. The version you know today was made by Pingali Venkaya at Bezwada in 1921. The inspiring soul of India, Bhagat Singh, was highly fluent in many languages like French, Swedish, English, Arabic, Hindi and Punjabi. The Bengali version of Jana Gana Man was written in 1911, but it was adopted as national anthem in 1950. Mahatma Gandhi was not a part of the first Independence Day celebration. He was fasting in protest against the Hindu-Muslim riots that were taking place in Bengal. The border between India and Pakistan was drawn up by a British lawyer, Cyril Radcliffe, despite the fact that he never came to India. Partition of the country was on religious lines. Many say it resulted in the largest human migration in history. India had 562 princely states. 3 states, Jammu and Kashmir, Hyderabad and Junagadh, decided to stay out of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, along with other leaders, smartly adjoined these states to form India. Lord Mountbatten insisted on August 15 as the Independence Day of India because this day is also commemorated as the British Allied Force victory over Japan during World War II. Goa was a Portuguese colony at that time. It became part of India in 1961. Sikkim became the final state to join Indian Union in 1975. Along with India, this day is celebrated as Independence Day in 5 other countries also: Bahrain, North Korea, South Korea, Liechtenstein and Congo. India has always been a peacemaker. India has never invaded any country in her history. Not many people know about these facts about Indian Independence Day. If we have missed out on some lesser known facts, do let us know in comments.
संकट दुख त्राता जन गण पथ परिचायक जय हे